Bismillahir Rahim. So we often talk of success and failure in probability theory, but the use of these terms success and failure is rather relative. For example, if we toss a coin, so uh, if we call a head, then the occurrence of head may be treated as a success, right? And the tail is a failure in this case. But if we call a tail and we want a tail, then tail is a success and the head is a failure. Uh, to give you another example, for example, the binomial distribution. Uh, we This distribution is used to model to find k successes in n trial, k successes in n trials, right? So the use of term successes here is again relative. Let's consider a situation. We are tossing a coin 10 times and we are looking that for 7 heads. So 7 heads in 10 trials. So that is 7 successes in 10 trials. That's okay. But now consider another example. 7 heads in 10 tosses, right? This is one example. So another example, for example, we are testing 10 integrated circuits and we're looking for 2 rejects in these 10 tests. Test 10 ICs, integrated circuits, and find probability of 2 rejects. So now rejection is conventionally treated as a failure, right? But when we model this problem using this binomial distribution, then when we're looking for 2 rejects, that will be here k successes is basically 2 successes, right? So that rejection becomes a success here in this binomial distribution. So that will be treated as a 2 successes in 10 trials. So that success is basically a reject. When we get a rejection, so that is basically is a success here in these terms, right? So this is one example. For example, similarly, if we transmit 100 bits, 100 bits are transmitted, and you are asked to find the probability that the 7 bit error occurs at while transmitting the 90th bit. So that is basically 7th success that will be treated as a 7th success at 90th trial. So that's the problem which is treated by Pascal distribution. 7th bit error occurs while transmitting 90th bit. So that is treated by Pascal distribution, and we'll be saying that 7th success occurs at 90th trial. So success and failure is a relative term in probability. It's not used the way it is used in conventional sense, right? So success in a conventional sense may be different, while in using while we use it in probability distribution or solving a probability related problem, it might mean something else.